As we've been talking about communication skills, strategies, decoding, encoding, text feedbacks, after that we learned how we can how communication fundamentals, reading, speaking, writing purpose includes, then clarity, tones and impacts in professional writing. Then we read about reading skills for academic and workplace contents. We talked about skimming versus scanning for technical and business texts. Now we are going to talk about reading strategies for technical and business texts. We're going to talk about reading strategies for technical and business texts. What is the goal? Break down complex workplaces or academic materials and reading with purpose. How is reading a technical report different from reading a novel? Technical business texts are dense, formal, and information heavy. They often include charts, data, terminology, and instructions. Skimming and scanning help us to locate information, but in depth reading is needed to interpret complex contexts. Now, talking about this particular slide, reading strategies or technical and business text goals, break down complex workplaces or academic material and read with purpose. We should read with purpose. Our academic material should be there. How is reading a technical report different from reading a novel? Now, we are going to identify how reading a technical report is different from reading a novel. Technical is business oriented, texts are dense, formal, and information is heavy. Whereas they often include charts, data, terminology, and instructions. And skimming and scamming helps us locate information, but in depth reading is needed to interpret complex contexts. In technical reporting, the data is very intense. Formal information is heavy. It often includes charts, data, terminologies, and instructions. Skimming and scamming, as we have read before, is included in this. You can locate that and interpret complex context. Now, break down complex workplaces or academic material and read with purpose. Strategies: break long sentences into chunks. Don't try to understand a complex sentence all at once. Divide it into smaller logical parts. Break down complex workplace or academic material and read with purpose. That means whatever material for reading you have, you have to break that down into chunks, into small parts. Break long sentences into small parts. Don't try to understand a complex sentence all at once. Divide the sentence into parts. Divide it into smaller and logical parts. Then try to understand it. This is the strategy for reading academic material with purpose. Example set for the same is: in accordance with the policy update effective May 1st, all employees working remotely must log attendance using the new dashboard feature. Now, break it down. Policy update starts on May 1st, applies to remote employees. They must log attendance, must use the dashboard. Now, we divided the above sentence into 4 bullets. The first bullet is describing that this is a policy which is starting on 1st of May. Break long sentence into chunks. We divide it into 4 chunks. Try to understand a complex sentence all at once. Divide it into some smaller logical parts. So we divided it into smaller logical parts. The first part was: policy update starts on May 1st, applies to remote employees, they must log attendance, must use the dashboard. Understanding the strategy for technical and business texts, we need to understand that at complex workplaces, academic material, reading that with purpose, you need to understand the strategies. Break long sentences into chunks, smaller parts. Don't try to understand a complex sentence all at once. Divide it into smaller logical parts. For example, we have to inform that with effect to 1st of May, employees who are at remote locations have to use dashboard for their attendance. So we divide it into 4 different parts. The first one is bullet. Policy is updated from May 1st. Second, applying for remote employees. They must log attendance and must use the dashboard. Clear and precise. Look for signal words. Now, what are signal words? We are going to describe those signal words. We can use these signal words to better predict meaning, structure or flow of technical business texts. However, although, but, show contrast. For example, the budget was increased, however, the timeline remained unchanged. Therefore, thus as a result, shows conclusion or outcome. We missed our deadline, therefore we requested an extension. Talking about the first one, look for a signal word. We can use these signal words to better predict the meaning. Signal words are used to understanding the meaning in a better way. Structure or flow of technical business text would be however, although, but, show, contrast. These 3 words show contrast. For example, the budget was increased, however, the timeline remained unchanged. So we used however over here and identified and predicted the structure flow in a very single and better predicted manner. Therefore, thus as a result, show conclusions or outcome. For example, we missed our deadline, therefore we requested an extension. Therefore is again used in this for showing conclusion or outcome. For example, such as for instance introduces examples. Examples are there are several project management tools such as Asana and Trello. These are project management tools such as. We are talking about the word such as over here. We are trying to understand how do we introduce examples with these words. There are several project management tools. Which are they? Such as Asana and Trello. Firstly, secondly, in addition to, moreover. Firstly, secondly, in addition to, moreover. How can these words be used in technical and business text? Indicate sequences or additions. Now, for example, firstly, we finalized the budget. Secondly, we assigned roles. In this single slide, we are trying to understand how to implement single words into texts to make them more better predicted, meaningful, structured and technically flawless. However, and although and but can be used as showing contrast. For example, the budget was increased, however is used over here. The timeline remained unchanged. Second example is therefore, thus, as a result, shows conclusion or outcome. So, for example, we missed our deadline, therefore we requested an extension. For example, such as for instance are an introduction or introducing examples. There are several project management tools such as Asana and Trello. Firstly, secondly, in addition to, moreover. These words indicate sequence or addition, and the example for the same is firstly we finalized the budget, secondly we assigned the roles. Pay attention to structure. Now we have to learn how to pay attention to the structure. Business and technical documents usually follow clear patterns. Talking about business and technical documents, they follow clear patterns. What are the patterns? Introduction sets the context. Body details arguments and data. Conclusion summary key takeaway. That means we need to learn in this particular slide that reading strategies for technical and business texts needs attention to structure. Business and technical documents usually follow a clear pattern. What is that clear pattern? Instruction, body and conclusion. What is included in instruction? Sets the context. Body is details, arguments and data. Conclusion is summary, key takeaway. Now for example, in a research report, introduction, we talked about the top one is introduction. What is being researched? Body, details and arguments, data and methods. Conclusion, final insight and recommendations. That means when we are paying attention to the structure, we need to keep three things in mind. Business and technical documents are clear patterned. Their pattern is very clear, and the pattern consists of three things. One is introduction, second is the body, third is the conclusion. What does introduction include? Sets the context. That means what is being researched. Body includes details, arguments and data. That means data and methods need to be put into this. And the third one is conclusion, which is the summary, the key takeaway. So in this, we can introduce final insight and recommendations. Reading strategies for technical and business text. Coming to this slide, annotate or highlight as you read. Whenever we are reading something, we need to highlight it. Using a highlighter or a digital comment tool in PDF or Notions, mark definitions, key stats or important phrases. What does this happen? Add your own short notes in the margins to reinforce meanings. This is a very important thing to understand. Whatever you feel is to be mentioned and needs to be margined or reinforced in a better manner, you can highlight that particular thing while reading. And in PDFs or in Notions, mark definitions, key states or important phrases which are to be highlighted, so that when you read them, when you again text them, or when you try to put them into your own words, you find them easily. Add your own short notes according to the definitions, to the key states or to important phrases, which will help you margin to reinforce the meanings. Thank you.